Hey there, fellow knowledge seekers. Welcome back to Go Human AI, the home of the most advanced autonomous human AI technology. I'm your host, Francois, and today we have a news item that will surely grab your attention. So without further ado, let's dive right in. In today's news, we have a case that highlights the ongoing issue of intellectual property theft in the automotive industry. Federal prosecutors have accused two men of attempting to sell stolen technology for manufacturing electric car batteries that belong to none other than Tesla. Yes, you heard that right, folks. Tesla, the leading manufacturer of battery-powered electric vehicles and battery energy systems. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty details. A Canadian man, Klaus Flugbeil, who resides in China, was arrested and held in New York after he and his business partner, Yilong Shao, were caught red-handed trying to sell secret battery manufacturing technology. The technology in question was stolen from Tesla, and these two individuals thought they could make a quick buck by selling it to the highest bidder. But here's the twist, my friends. These two men were not just random thieves. They were actually former employees of Hybar Systems, a Canadian company that specialized in battery manufacturing technology. And guess what? Tesla acquired Hybar Systems back in 2019, giving these individuals access to valuable drawings and documents that allowed others to replicate Tesla's manufacturing process. After the sale of Hybar, Flugbeil and Shao formed their own company and shamelessly tried to sell the stolen technology through various channels. They placed ads on Google, made posts on LinkedIn, and even created a YouTube video showcasing their ill-gotten gains. Talk about audacity, but their greed and arrogance caught up with them. Undercover agents who had been monitoring their activities met Shao at a trade show in Las Vegas and expressed interest in buying the stolen information. Tesla had already confirmed that the technology was indeed secret, so the agents had all the evidence they needed to bring these criminals to justice. The final act in this thrilling saga took place in New York, where Flugbeil was lured by the undercover agents under the pretense of striking a deal. Little did he know that he was walking right into a trap. The agents arrested him on the spot, while Shao managed to evade capture and is currently on the run. This case serves as a stark reminder that intellectual property theft is a serious offense with far-reaching consequences. It not only puts businesses at a competitive disadvantage, but also undermines innovation and poses potential national security risks. That's why the U.S. Attorney for the Eastern District of New York, Breon Peace, made it clear that the government will not hesitate to prosecute those who engage in such criminal activities. Now, my dear viewers, what can we learn from this news item? First and foremost, it's crucial for companies to protect their intellectual property at all costs. In today's fast-paced world, where technology is advancing at an unprecedented rate, the theft of trade secrets can have devastating effects on businesses. Secondly, we must remain vigilant and report any suspicious activities that we come across. The undercover agents in this case were able to apprehend one of the culprits because they were proactive in their investigations. If we all do our part and keep an eye out for potential intellectual property theft, we can help safeguard the innovations that drive our economy forward. And finally, I want to take a moment to remind you all to subscribe to our channel, Go Human AI, a division of KTTP Inc. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on the latest news and updates from the world of technology and artificial intelligence. Plus, you'll be supporting our mission to revolutionize the way businesses operate by adopting our cutting-edge autonomous AI technology. If you're a business owner looking to automate your sales, customer service, or coaching processes, then Go Human AI is the solution you've been searching for. Our AI systems are designed to emulate human interactions, giving you the competitive edge you need in today's market. So don't hesitate to reach out to us and explore the possibilities of integrating our autonomous AI into your business. Well, folks, that's all the time we have for today. I hope you found this news item as fascinating as I did. Remember, stay informed, stay curious, and together let's embrace the future of AI. This is Francois, signing off. Until next time, outro music.